Here for Frazzell Guitars, and we're coming at you with the next video. So we are working on today this Japanese Takamine EF340. It's got the brownie sliders on there. I want to get a close-up of those. I want to get the back of the headstock. So yeah, so that is what we're working with today. So this thing is in for a setup and a good cleaning. So off camera, I went in and polished all the frets out. I liminaled the board, and now I'm going to do a setup.
To the honky-tonk, there she was, boots and all, shooting down some fireball. Copperhead just came on, she walked out on the dance floor and pointed, and she said, come get you some. Now girl, I can't help but stare, days and dooms, I swear. I can't dance and I don't care, can I two-step you right out of here? If you're looking for some fun later on, girl, come get you some. Come get you some. Girl, you don't know what you do to me. If love's your drug, girl, I got your fix, come get you some. Get you some. Some old boy come 10 feet tall, pushed me up against the wall. He said, you know that's my girl Halls. I said, oh hell no. You're looking for some trouble in the parking lot, son, come get you some. Get you some. Girl, you don't know what you do to me. If love's your drug, girl, I got your fix, come get you some. Maybe I didn't know what I was getting into. I didn't know that she came here with you. I didn't mean to cause no scene, but that girl's coming home with me. Get you some. Get you some. Girl, you don't know what you do to me. If love's your drug, girl, I got your fix, come get you some. Get you some. Oh, now come on, girl, come get you some. Come get you some. Walking to the honky-tonk, there she was, boots and all, shooting down some fireball. Copperhead just came on, she walked out on the dance floor and pointed, and she said, come get you some. Now girl, I can't help but stare, days and dooms, I swear. I can't dance and I don't care, can I two-step you right out of here? If you're looking for some fun later on, girl, come get you some. Come get you some. Girl, you don't know what you do to me. If love's your drug, girl, I got your fix, come get you some. Get you some. Some old boy come 10 feet tall, pushed me up against the wall. He said, you know that's my girl
So strings are on. So I really just have the strings on, so now I can better gauge what I need to do with this setup. Action's pretty hot, so it's got some shims underneath here, but really and honestly, it's just time to try to fine tune the setup, make it as good as we can. We do have a little bit of belly bulge on there. Those of you that know what that means, it means it's got some bulge here. The deal is, you could put a JBL Bridge Doctor in there, but the thing with the JBL Bridge Doctor is, it does, so I've installed them a couple different times, but some people say it does, and it honestly does, it dampens the sound of the guitar. That's the only thing I don't like with the Bridge Doctor, is it dampens the sound. So, one of the main things to do is it sounds, pretty good now, but it still needs to be fine-tuned. So I'm going to fine-tune this off camera because that's just going to take too long to record. Go through a big spiel with that, adjust the truss rod, adjust all the stuff on this guitar to where it needs to be. But when I got it in, the frets actually had corrosion, green corrosion on them, on most of them. So you want to get a shot here, Mason, of the fretboard. Get a nice clean pan. How clean it looks. So yeah. So we're gonna end it. We're gonna stop there for now, and we'll be back in a little bit. Frazzell family, how's everybody doing today? So we're back with the Takamine. It has all been set up, gone through, cleaned up, and woo, she is beautiful. Alright, what is up, Frazzell family? I don't know, you can't see me too great, but I got this Sigma here, so I guess I didn't show much on it, but it did get a setup done on it, so so it sounds amazing, it sounds great. So the action spot on point, truss rod spot on point, everything about this guitar is spot on point. And this guitar has been well taken care of, and that makes me happy. So this thing is easy to chord, easy to fret. So it is a very pretty guitar. So it's a beautiful sounding guitar. It's a beautiful playing guitar. I know I'm not out there like an idiot, but yeah. So I think it's a D18 Sigma, DM18. This is one of the first Sigmas I played that's had just a great tone. This has got a great sound. I'd play this on stage. Alright, what is up? I'm back here again. So, you guys have asked, requested, and wanted to hear that Takamine being played. So, here we go. Give you a little demo of that. Action turned out great. So it's got a great tone. So that's the sound of it, and yeah. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I can never say that. Please like, subscribe, share, all the above, and thank you for watching Frazzell Guitars.